Hi, I'm Becky Buttons, and today I am troubleshooting a Tecre Model 100 button making machine that is supposedly smooshing the flatback buttons that my customer is trying to make. So this just came back into the shop. I haven't tested it yet, so the first thing I'm going to do is try to replicate the reported behavior. So let's get started. The very first thing you want to do when you're troubleshooting a button making machine is switch over to regular office paper. Because believe it or not, some problems can actually happen due to the toner buildup on paper that causes like slipping inside the button machine. So step number one is to cut out some just plain white circles for troubleshooting. If your machine is acting up and being weird, that's the first thing you want to do, is try some just regular white paper with no print on it. All right, so let's give this a test. I've got my shells and flatbacks all mixed up over here. Oh, that did not feel good. Yeah, so that's like smushed. That second pull is diabolical. That is not how a flatback button should look. Do you see the space there? I think that this die is too far up, the crimp die. I'm just going to tighten this down and see what happens. All right, so I just tightened down the crimp die. That's all I did. Let's give her another go. Perfect. Let's go ahead and try a few more. Beautiful. Again, beautiful. And I'm gonna say she's fixed. I'm gonna pack her up and send her on back. Thanks for watching.